Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the music with Suno AI. So at the home page over here, you just go to create. And over here, as you can see, you have simple and custom. Simple is just you can put words and it's going to make a song. But we want to go to custom. Custom is where you actually create everything. Now if you have lyrics, you can add over here. If not, then you go to full song and you give him some words. I don't know, let's pick cars, cats, dogs. And it's gonna generate two options and you're gonna pick one of them. As you can see, it had got a car, and then you have the cats, you have the car, and you have the dogs somewhere over here, the dogs. See, you can add more if you want it, and it's just generated, and then you select one of them, which one you want. And then as you can see, it added here in the lyrics. Now, if you do instrumental, it's gonna remove the lyrics, you see? It's just gonna be a song without anyone singing. Now, if you want, you can leave it. If not, it's up to you. But over here, you write the style of the music. So you can add from here even hip hop. If you want to add the piano, you can add the pop. Depends what you want. You add what you want. Then you have more options. Here you can exclude if you want to exclude some from the music. Over here you can exclude any style music that you want. You could add your own voice over here, but you need a good microphone. Or you could add a persona. You could add another singer over here from their voice, singing a different type of song. Over here, change the name, and then create. Click create, and it's gonna generate two songs. And you can listen to any of them, then you decide which one is better for you. So yeah, that's a quick video on how to create the music with Suno AI.